Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So recently I posted a video of me showing off some Dollar Tree nail polishes that I bought recently. So while I was there, I came across some nail supplies that I think would come in handy, so I wanted to give them a try. Everything here only costed me $1.25, so I said, hey, why not make a review out of it? So let's begin. So I bought two different kind of nail glues. This one's called Bodico, I think it's pronounced. It says it's a quick dry. It comes with three for $1.25. Honestly, not a bad deal. This one only came with one, and it says it's an instant glue. So I am going to give them a try next time I do a set to see which one is the better glue. So I bought two different types of nail polish removers. This one comes in little circle round pads, actually. They're not bad. I've used it in the past. This one says it smells like peach. Does it smell like peach? Not really. But it does have a somewhat of a sweet smell to it. So it's okay. It's not bad. And then this one as well. This one's called Delon. It's a lemon flavor. I don't find it to be too strong, which is good scent-wise. It works overall. So this is another item from the Sassy and Chic brand, two different kind of brushes. I do find the big one to be slightly bit, not as coarse as the smaller one, but it is good for when you're filing your nails and you can brush away the dust. Oh, and a side note, the acrylic that I have on my nails right now was from iGel Beauty, which I actually made a video about, and you can check that in the description below. This next item actually got me excited. 80-piece nail tips for $1.25. I mean, they're not separated, but I mean, you can't go wrong with cheap nail tips. I came across these glitters in the craft section and they are so gorgeous. They had many different colors. You can use them for raw nails or you can even throw them in some clear acrylic. I actually did a set of this a long time ago and it came out gorgeous. So I found this nail file as well and I wanted to give it a try because it's actually a good size. It's pretty long and it does have the two sides of the grit. One is obviously a little bit more coarse than the other. I haven't used it yet, but it does look like it's gonna work magic. So I also found this cuticle trimmer, which was very convenient because for some reason I'm always breaking mine. Honestly, I kind of had some issues with this. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but it was a little bit hard for me to kind of close it. And I feel like that little metal piece is supposed to do something, but I haven't figured it out yet, but I will in time. So I bought some jump rings, which is pretty much a nail piercing. Not essential, but I absolutely love the whole look of the piercing of the nail. It looks gorgeous. So this is what they look like. They're really small. I've had gold ones before. I do find that the gold one looks better. So it's a little bit hard to use this sometimes, but you're gonna want a good pair of scissors so you can open this up, so you can have a little bit of space. And if you have a little nail drill, so you can actually drill the nail, it's a lot easier to use. I pretty much just opened it and just put it on the nail just for an example, but I have done the nail piercing before and it's super ghetto and it's super dope and I love it. So the last one here I bought was a 2-in-1 cuticle oil and a nail strengthener. So I really do like this product. It doesn't have a strong smell, which is really good. Really did help my cuticles. I used it a couple times. I like it. So overall, Dollar Tree came through for me. Everything was a hit. Really, really love everything I bought. So definitely gets a thumbs up from me. So what do you guys think? Would you give Dollar Tree nail supplies a try? Let me know in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.